it's me again, Donna from DB Tax Solutions, located in Lake Rail, near Bunn, North Carolina. It's a little cold here, and my video is showing all that snow. It's making me feel a little bit more colder. But anyway, this video is for those small businesses who has applied for their LLC. A lot of my people that I talk to said, oh yeah, I have my LLC, but there's a little bit of misunderstanding as to what exactly is LLC, how is it taxed in the IRS. So the way that it works is when a small company files a register for an LLC, that registration is with your state where you reside, so that you are registered to have and run a business in your state that you live in. Now the IRS question is, okay, how do you want to tax your LLC? So when someone says to me, yeah, I'm an LLC, I always the question, so how is it taxed? So if you're a single owner LLC, you have an option. If you didn't do anything else after you filed your LLC, then you're just a sole proprietor. Okay, your LLC is just regular sole proprietor. There's no separation of entity from your tax return, so you just file a regular Form 1040 in the US. So, but if you're a single member LLC, you can elect and choose to be taxed as a small corporation. So there's your option. Okay, so you have to file certain forms. Okay, so if you file an LLC as a couple, that LLC is automatically taxed by IRS as a partnership because there's just more than one member. So even if it doesn't have to be a couple, but if it's 2-member LLC, it can be taxed as a partnership automatically because there's at least 2 person. But even if it's just 2, again, you can elect that LLC with 2 member to be taxed as a small corporation. Okay, so there's that option. And then again, if you have an LLC and it's more than 2-member LLC, like 3 or 4 and more, you can then file to be a corporation or a small corporation. So you can decide how you want your LLC to be taxed. So those are basically your options. And I wanted to let you know this because to make that election, it is due March 15th of every year. So if you want 2021, if you want your business to be taxed as a small corporation, you need to apply those forms with the IRS, make those elections before March 15th of 2021 in order for it to apply for this year. Now, if you wanted to apply for 2022, well, you can apply for that form anytime within the prior year before the year it starts. So a lot of people also convert their LLC to small corporation, but not many pay attention to what they're supposed to do. What are the benefits and disadvantages and advantages of becoming an S Corp? One big thing is becoming a shareholder employee of your own small corporation. Therefore, you must run a payroll if you're an S Corp, and you must pay yourself the reasonable salary in the industry you're in before you can take out those distributions tax-free. Okay, those are one of the benefits, are those distributions, but you don't want to be caught by the IRS drawing all money as distributions and evading all taxes and not doing the proper payroll. But there are so many benefits of a small corporation. It's the most popular tax entity in small businesses, so because of the benefits it provides. But anyhow, this is just small tips. I have other more in detail information in my website at www.dbtaxsolutions.blogspot.com if you want to learn more about the advantages of a small corporation. Reach out to me if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer. Again, this is Donna from DB Tax Solutions. Until next time.